Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today we are just going to see about the security mechanism in which comes under the OSI Security Architecture. Last video we have we'll just recall that here some of the classification of OSI Security Architecture, in which OSI Security Architecture it mainly consists of security attack, security mechanisms, security services. Let us see. We have seen the security attack in this last slide, and that is any action that compromises the security of information owned by an organization. It is called as a security attack. Now let us see security mechanism. Here the security mechanism, it is a process that is designed to detect, prevent or recover from a security attack. Let's see in detail. Security mechanism, it mainly consists of the following: encipherment, digital signature, access control, integrity and traffic padding, and no, no notarization. Here the security mechanism it mainly involves in some encryption will also be taken place in this case. That is, it protects the data confidential by encoding information. That is called as encryption in the case of the security mechanism. Then digital signature, in the sense it provides authentication, integrity and non-repudiation in the case of the digital signature. Next is your access control mechanism. In this case, your access controller it restricts the access from to the system, or it is based on the rules. This is called as a access control. Integrity, as we all know that integrity in the sense it ensures the data, it ensures the data that has not been altered in transit. This is called as the integrity. Next, here comes the encipherment. Here the encipherment in the sense the mathematical algorithm that is used to transform data into another form which is not intelligible. Here encipherment it mainly consists of left key half, right key half. Your first step is you're just giving a plain text as an input. First step is encipher and a left step. Here encipher take place in the left. Your next step is decipher and a right half. In the right half, here decipher will be taken place. Finally, your third step is encipher and a left shift, and finally your outcome will be your ciphertext output. Next is your digital signature. Digital signature, here it is a data which is appended to prove that the source is the one which has sent the data and protect against forgery. Here forgery will be not taken place, in which it will consist of a private password and the public password, in which it will be known only between the two persons. Sender is sending a message as hello, receiver sending a message hello. Here sender uses the private password, in which the receiver will use as the public password. Only with that key they can open the message. Only it will be known to the sender as well as the receiver. This is a digital signature. Next is your access control. Access control, here it mainly provides the access rights to the resources. Here let's take an example. As I am working in a college. In the college we will be having some access control, in the sense admin will be having few access control to access to few resources, whereas faculty will be having few access control when they can access only those resources, whereas the students will have few access accessing the resources, in which the students can't access the faculties, whereas the faculty can access the admin, in which the limitation and the access control will be there whenever just accessing the resources. These all comes under the security mechanisms, in which we are just using as a OSI architecture in this case. Next, in our next slide, we are just going to see in detail about these security services. Here in the security services, in the sense, it is a process or communication service that enhances the security of data that is processed in system and the information transfer of an organization. All these services security, some services will be provided whenever they are being used by a system or by an organization in any level. All these three things are much important in the case of these are the basic concepts of the cryptography, in which we are just going to see in the further lecture classes, that is the security attack, security mechanism, security services, all these things. Thank you.